Hello again and welcome to another video, and today I'd just like to show you this lovely Range Rover Evoque Dynamic SD4 finished in the grey, 2014 car. All nice tidy bodywork, it's not been knocked about. Front and rear parking sensors. Some slight chipping on the edge of the alloy wheels, nothing too serious. It's got the black leather interior with the white stitching. Electrically adjustable front seats. Privacy glass. Plenty of room in the back. Just got some slight chipping on the top edge of the back bumper there. We'll touch in. Very well looked after car. Two owners with the full service history. Controls there for electric windows, electric door mirrors, central locking. Let's just take a look. 134,000 miles. Full service history with that. Like I said, it has had the cam belt done as well. DAB radio, more from the touchscreen there. Sat nav. It's got the reverse camera, so it's like reverse, you can see behind you, which is always useful. You can connect your phone. CD slot there, controls for heating and heated front seats from there, air conditioning, automatic transmission from there, and your terrain select there, two remote keys, auxiliary and USB input and 12-volt socket in there. Book pack with it. Like I say, it's got full service history with this one as well. It's been very well cared for. It's got the blind on the inside of the roof, so you can shut that in the winter. It's all the way like that. Electric opening tailgate, push button stop start, steering wheel mounted controls, cruise control there, Bluetooth there, and the paddles for the gear change if you want to change gear manually as well. The Meridian sound system, memory seats. Take a look in the back, there's a decent amount of load space in the back as well, all nice and clean, and under there is your blow up kit. It's all present and correct. So there you go, if you're looking for a nice tidy Evoque, looks great in this colour as well, with an excellent service history, been very well looked after. Feel free to give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. and thank you again for watching.